welcome back to channel everyone. Terry here on Down the Road Productions, and our episode today is on the Honda Goldwing fuel pump recall that is impacting every 2018 and 2019 Goldwing built and sold in the United States currently. There are no VIN ranges because all models are impacted for 2018 and 2019. And we've got our letter here, so let me just read from it. Why my vehicle is under recall. The fuel pump module may have an improperly molded impeller. Over time, the impeller can deform and cause the fuel pump to become inoperable. Safety consequence: an inoperable fuel pump kit could prevent an engine from starting, cause a motorcycle to lose drive power, or stall while riding, increasing the risk of a crash or injury. What Honda will do: the replacement parts needed to repair your motorcycle are not currently available, but are expected to become available in July of 2024. Honda will send you a follow-up letter when replacement parts are available, so you can then bring your motorcycle in for repair. The dealer will then inspect, if necessary, replace the fuel pump module for free. Okay, so I think we're looking at more like August or September because, I can't say, and I won't speculate on what's happening behind the scenes. I give Honda very huge credit for running in front of this issue, but not only do they have to change the impeller design, they have to test it out. So I'm sure they have this on an expedited path in their engineering groups, and it could very well be July when the parts are available. But if it's August or September, don't panic. I'd rather have them test this thoroughly before they do their repair work. I have confirmed that all they do is take the seat off, pop out the old fuel pump and put the new one in, and you can wait on your bike when you take it in for this recall. So that's kind of cool. I called my dealer yesterday. I was the third caller with the Goldwing, so I'm number 3 in their list to contact. That's on top of your notification letter that you'll get from Honda saying the parts are available. So that's really good. So I'm not going to ride in fear. I was told it was still safe to ride my bike. I had our bike running just a few days ago. I'm using it Sunday. Got a really good weather day on Sunday. I'm not going to worry about it. I think I'm in good hands. When it comes to high quality motorcycles, Honda's number 1. Overall, I don't want to ride in fear. I want to enjoy my motorcycles. But if you think for any reason your motorcycle's not safe to ride and you want to wait for the fuel pump to be put in per the recall, definitely do that. Okay, go with your intuition. In our case, we've taken very good care of our 2018 Honda Goldwing 6-speed tour. I'm even taking it to Florida in May, I believe. I'm gonna do the iron butt thing potentially and ride down to Florida for a week or two and come back, because I have the time right now and I don't want that time to get away from me. It could be that I'm riding down before my fuel pump is replaced. Not gonna worry about it. Hey, I could even do the fuel pump in Florida at a Honda dealer down there. So for us, I know the maintenance history of my bike, and I trust it 110%. Again, if you think that you may have an issue and want to wait for the new fuel pump to go in, then please do that. My other thought, my curiosity level though, is what's different on the fuel pumps for 2020 and newer Honda Goldwing. So they could be doing the oldest bikes first, and this recall could expand to newer model years. You never know. Just talking out loud. All right, guys, that's the episode. A quick one regarding the Goldwing warranty. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your subscribes. Please like the video. It'll help us in the algorithm immensely. And thank you for your likes, shares, subscribes. Keep doing the best you can do. Thanks for being a part of our platform, and we'll see you guys next episode. Ride safe. Have a great summer. Riding season is here. Okay guys, that's our episode. It was a quick one. The recall's out there. In terms of recalls, it's the first one on our Goldwing. We've had about 7 on our Rocket 3 GT. I can tell you one very big difference between Triumph motorcycles and Honda motorcycles. All the Triumph recalls are after the fact, and they're late. they drag their feet in addressing issues. I feel strongly that Honda's ahead of this recall on the fuel pump. Awesome. So there's the difference between Honda and Triumph motorcycles. Run so much better. Okay? Again, even better service. The difference between the service department at Honda Suzuki Warren and Triumph Detroit, night and day sometimes. So guys, hey, gonna wrap this episode up. We send our best to you. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for contributing to our growth. Great comments I see. The likes and shares. Make sure you like this video. It'll help in the algorithm. And if you guys have any additional questions or thoughts about this Honda recall, leave them in comments. I'll pick up on them. Looking forward to that discussion from our side. Guys, have a great day. Riding season is here in the northeastern United States. We're looking forward to it. We're part of that, and I'm looking forward to shooting down to Florida again, maybe even stopping in Tennessee for a bit on my way down. Who knows, but I'm going to have fun with that trip and my killer Goldwing. All right, guys, take care, and if you see me out in the wild, I got free decals for you, and keep doing your best. Thank you for helping us here grow and being a part of our channel. We'll see you next episode.